Welcome everybody to the live video today. Today I'll be talking about a new tax refund update, you guys, for 2024. This is the first one that I'm doing for this tax season. And the reason I am doing it is because the IRS started approving tax returns for those without the child additional child tax credit and earned income credit. So I want you to be aware a lot of people are disagreeing under the shorts that I had created. Everyone is not going to get their tax refund at the same time. The reason I made sure I shared this with you guys is to let you guys know that they did release and approve some tax refunds for that day on February the 7th, which is today. If you are in some of the Where Is My Refund groups, do you notice that some people did have that approval date? These are the people without the earned income credit and additional child tax credit. So some of you are posting saying, how can you get it within a week, even though the IRS opened up on the 29th? The IRS can do whatever the IRS wants to do. It's a lot of people started filing on January the 3rd, you guys, preseason, and there are test batches, meaning when tax season does open up, the IRS can approve whoever they want to at whatever time they want to, regardless of the 21 days. Even though it takes 21 days, if the IRS approves them within that time, they can. That doesn't mean just because yours one approved that theirs one approved, because everybody is not going to be approved at the same time because everybody don't have the same tax return. Okay, your tax return has to be accurate. Okay, and they prove whoever they want to approve, and the date is the approval date. The first one is February the 7th. Now, some people have been posting and Where Is My Refund groups on Facebook and saying the 14th they receive approval dates. Again, these are the people without the earned income credit and additional child tax credit. So is it possible? Yes, because I shared a video before this video, before the opening of tax season, showing the possible date that the IRS may release or approve tax refunds. Last year, it was February 8th in 2023. That was for people without the earned income credit and additional child tax credit. Last year, it was February 8th when they started approving. Okay, people started receiving the path lifted last year, and people started receiving their refunds on February the 22nd of last year. The IRS has already placed on their website that the earliest, probably the path after the path lift, is going to be February the 27th. So we're going to see, you guys, whether or not that's the date or it's going to be earlier. Most time the IRS says one date and it ends up being another date. Okay. For those of you who have been still waiting on your tax refund from 2022, you may receive both this tax season. I did updates all last year from the beginning of tax season last year all the way to December 2023, and you can look on my channel. So that's why I know the dates of last year was February the 8th, because I am a tax preparer when they start approving, and also February the 22nd. Again, you can't be upset because some people have received approval dates while you may did yours in January, and then because everybody's not going to receive it at the same time because everybody don't have the same tax return. Okay, make sure you guys that you check your transcript. I shared last year how, for those of you who are new, how to check your transcripts by going to irs.gov. Now this year, if you didn't verify identity last year, it's a great possibility that you're going to have to verify identity this tax season. I had to verify identity before tax season to go to the IRS and check all the return that I had filed to get in my account. I had to verify identity. So it's a strong possibility with all this fraud going on that you're going to have to verify identity, you guys. So I'm just letting you guys know. And I'm also seeing in some of the Where Is My Refund groups as well that some people are seeing that. So you may have to verify identity this tax season if you didn't last tax season. For those of you who are watching and you haven't already filed your taxes, the link that I have below the screen is where you book appointments on. All you have to do is go to that link and click schedule appointment and pick a date. Show up at the Zoom meeting before the scheduled time. If you're 15 to 20 minutes late, I will decline. If you're not going by the rules and I can't verify identity, meaning I do it in 50 states. So if I can't verify who you are, then it will be declined. Don't give me a fake email. Don't give me a fake number, because I know when you're giving me that, because my software going to let me know. Okay, you guys? No playing on tech software. We too grown for that. We too grown for that, you guys, okay? All right, if you have any questions and comment, let me know. I'm going to go over the refund advance loans, you guys, that I have with my business is $250 to $6,000. Now it's up to $1,000. You will have no interest on the loan. But if you go over that 1,000, that's when you're going to see the interest. For those of you guys who filed last year and wonder why your tax return was less, because you got these refund advance loans and they was like $3,000, $4,000. That's why, because you had interest on the loan. It's going to keep building until you get your refund, okay? So just letting you guys know that as well. I'm going to go to Where Is My Refund on IRS.gov for the people that are new. Check your refund on WMR, or Where's My Refund. It updates on Saturday. That's why people started seeing the dates. The WMR updates on Saturday. Transcript should update on Friday. If you don't see a change, don't worry, that it will update. And during this tax season, you guys know that when they start releasing your money, that some of you be wondering why the WMR doesn't update. Last year, it didn't update right away, but people had money in their accounts before it updated. So just letting you guys know early on all about this. Okay, I'm going to have all these live videos in a playlist this tax season, because last year I did the whole season from 2023 of refund updates all the way December. So I create another playlist for those of you who miss it and have to go back on my channel. By the way, for those of you who haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I give new tax refund updates every week, and I give you information about business, finances, and building wealth. Okay. Hey, Fred, I filed January 9th, so I probably have to wait till the end of the month. Never know. Did you have any credits, Fred? Did you have any the earned income credit or the additional child tax credit? Now, if you have those credits, then of course you probably have to wait about the end of the month when they start releasing them. But you don't. Those who don't have those credits getting their refund. That's the ones that you're seeing. So people get angry and upset during tax season, but you should know that everybody is not going to receive it at the same time. So you commenting, some of you on my short saying, oh, I didn't get mine, everybody's not going to get it at the same time. And most of you should know that. Okay. Did any of you watching? Okay. Yes, I do. Okay. Yeah. Then you have to wait to the end of February. Hopefully it won't be long. Maybe it's by February. They said the 27th, but they said that last year. And the reason I said that on the last video, for those of you who've been watching my videos, I told you that the possible date last year was February the 8th for those who didn't have the credits, and February the 22nd was last year. Now they said that last year, but then it ended up being the 22nd, and then it said if it don't be in your account, on the WMR, when you have a date and it says it doesn't be in your account by this date, sometimes it mean that. But we're gonna have to go by whatever the IRS says, okay, you guys. But we're gonna see. because I always like to compare every tax season. Yeah, this is my 5th tax season doing tax preparation. So I know the dates when usually the approvals and the refund sent. So I do know the refund sent, and I do be in the groups, different groups on the Facebook groups. Even though you might not know them, I'm in the group. And by the way, you guys, if you haven't joined my group, make sure that you do on Facebook, you guys, so that we can interact in a place other than YouTube, okay? With other members of the group, and also me, and I also go live. I'm live right now in the Where's My Refund group on Facebook. So I'm streaming live on here, and I'll be on LinkedIn, and I'll be on Instagram. I'll be on this different social media sites streaming live. So those of you who want to join my group, it's a private group, but it's Dr. Linda Likely, Where's My Tax Refund group, and all you have to do is type it in. It's private, but you should be able to see it and find it, okay? All right, just letting you guys know. Any more questions? We're going to be in this, you guys, all the way into the approvals. I'm going to let you guys know when the path lift and all that is well, you guys. But this is February. So we don't have too long. February the 7th. February the 7th. So we don't have too long. The month passes by quick. You should have a plan. For those of you who need to pay bills, you know I share information about finance. I have an MBA, financial planning before tax season. You should already have been planning of what you're going to do. I'm going to pay bills. I'm going to get this, what I need. Some people got cars last year. Some people got a mortgage last year. And, you know, put first things first, okay, you guys? I can't tell you what you do. We're grown people. You know your situation, but we know it's been times have been hard due to inflation. So make the best decision for you and your life and your family, and only you know that, okay? All right, and make sure, you guys, that when you file your tax return with whoever it is, even if it's not me, that you receive a copy of your tax return. You do one copy. So many people come to me every tax season and they don't even have the tax return from last tax season, and they don't even have a copy. Make sure you get a copy of your tax return. You do at least one. And yes, I do make sure that my clients e-sign. You'll be able to e-sign your tax documents. You'll be able to review your tax return once I send it to you, and it's going to be encrypted when I send it to your email because of all the fraud in the email addresses. I have to send you a code for you to unlock it, you guys, for my tax clients. I have opened up Saturday for some of you guys and say, you know, I work all the way through the week and the only time I have is Saturday and Sunday. I open up, I think it's 4 slots for Saturday this week. Now, that's not to say this next week, I don't know. I'll be busy. I have a lot going on. But this Saturday, I open up from 10 to 2. 4 slots for those of you who want to file on the weekend with me. And you'll be able to see me live just like you're seeing me now. And I'll be able to talk with you and go over your financial situation. And I have to verify you are who you say you are on your license, okay? Even though you're in 50 states. Okay, next week, I'm going to make sure I share a new tax refund update, you guys. But I know the 14th, it usually be, who knows, it's 7, 8, 9. Sometimes when they start approving the refund date, it'll be the 7th, the 8th, 9. Different people have different dates, you guys. And of course, when they started dropping them in account, everybody's received them differently. But I'm going to be keeping you updated just like I did last tax season. For those of you who are new to me, go back to my channel. I have over 200 and some videos because I did a lot of live videos, and I do videos other than the tax refund videos as well, helping you with finances, business, and building wealth. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, you have any comment, make sure you share them, drop them down in this video. If you need to ask me anything or even during tax season, and I always try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. And make sure you share out the video for others to know who may have questions as well, okay? Hopefully y'all have a great day, and the money will be coming, I'm hoping, that y'all money will be coming soon if y'all have an accurate tax return, verify identity, and do everything that the IRS tells you guys to do. By the way, before I end, if something comes in your email, people be thinking the IRS come in your email. If it's a problem with your tax return, they will mail you a letter, okay? Know this. They will not email you. They will mail you a letter. So don't be frauded. Don't be scammed by people text messaging you. The IRS will never do that. If they need anything from you during this tax season, they will mail it to your address, okay? You got it? Good, great, okay? Y'all have a great day.